Fall is finally here. Cooler weather, cozy sweaters, and pumpkin spice everything. But it's also the time when germs tend to spread more easily, especially with kids back in school. So here are some quick tips to keep you and your family healthy this autumn. First, wash your hands often. It's simple, but it's still one of the best defenses against colds and flu. Second, fuel your body with seasonal fruits and vegetables. Things like apples, squash, and sweet potatoes are packed with vitamins to help boost your immune system. Third, stay active. Don't let the cooler weather keep you indoors. A brisk walk outside in the fall air is great for your body and your mood. And finally, make sure you're getting enough rest. Sleep is your body's natural defense system, and it helps fight off illness. Here's to a healthy, happy autumn. Stay well and enjoy the season.